In this video we're going to be looking at special factoring patterns in polynomials. Here we see one pattern when we have the first term cubed plus the second term cubed. And the pattern for that would be a plus b times the first term squared minus the product of the first and the second term plus the second term squared. Now we're going to apply this pattern to an example. The example would be x cubed plus 8. So in this case 8 is actually 2 cubed. So x cubed plus 2 cubed would be similar to a cubed plus b cubed. So x is similar to a and 2 is similar to b. So using this pattern that we would memorize, we have x plus 2, a plus b, times x squared, x is similar to a, minus the product of the two terms, which would be x times 2, or 2x, and then plus the second term, 2 squared. Of course, 2 squared would be 4. So let's put the 4 there instead of 2 squared. So based on this pattern, we're able to solve the sum of two cubed expressions, x cubed plus 2 cubed. Alright, let's look at another pattern. In this case, we have an a cubed minus b cubed. And that falls into a pattern of first term minus the second term, a minus b, times the first term squared plus the product of the first and second term, ab, plus the second term squared, b squared. Okay, so an example that we could use for that could be 8x cubed minus 1. If we think about that for a second, 8x cubed, that would be the same as saying 2x cubed. So 2x would be similar to our a. And then minus and 1 would be similar to 1 cubed. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. So 2x would be similar to the a, and 1 would be similar to the b. Now we just fit this into this pattern. So we have a minus b, which would be 2x minus 1, times a squared, which would be 2x, the quantity squared, plus the product of a and b, which would be 2x times 1, plus b squared. Well, 1 is similar to b in this case, so we'd say plus 1 squared. So straightening this out a little bit, we have 2x minus 1 times, let's see, 2x squared would be 2 squared is 4, and x squared, so we have 4x squared. 2x times 1 is just 2x, and then plus 1 squared is just 1. So that would be our answer for this special product.